we have 90–95% of our kids taking buses to and from school, obviously we want to put them in the best environment to stay healthy and be healthy. But then also, there's a great savings opportunity for our district. And being in rural Illinois, we need those opportunities as much as possible. So what this is allowing us to do is really hire 2 additional teachers with the savings that we're getting from going to electric buses. We jumped down early. We partner with Highland. They've been down to Hardin County. They've met with our community. They're meeting with our transportation people. They're doing everything they can to start to ease that change process. Change is hard for everybody, but they've been on the ground. We've been up the hills and hollers with our transportation director, with some bus drivers, to kind of show them that, hey, this definitely can work out where we're at. Our kids are going to be able to get on a nice clean air bus that doesn't make all the noise, doesn't create all the exhaust, that hopefully kids that are on the bus at 6:30 in the morning could sleep for a half hour because they don't have a loud diesel engine in their ear. But at the same time, for me, it's more about health. I want those kids to have an opportunity to be safe for that 45 minutes to 20 minutes that they're on the bus to and from school every single day, and then all the things that come from that. So it's nice to make sure that they're ready for school when they get there. There's a lot of opportunities right now, and people are slowly starting taking advantage of them. We jumped down early. We partner with Highland, and the fact that they can work with anybody really helped me and my community, because they reached out and listened to the people locally to help transform our busing situation to going electric.